I resonate with the devotional vibration in my blueprint. That's what we say here at the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. On Mondays, I resonate with the devotional vibration. Devotional governs Monday. So it's a heart day, devotional day, soothing day, nourishing, nurturing day. It's a lullaby day. That's the music associated with Monday, lullabies. And myths and stories are also associated with Monday. The master of mythology, the great Joseph Campbell, had the devotional quality in his spiritual blueprint. I mean, no wonder he had such an interest in myths and storytelling and taught that to the world. Here's what he said. Read myths. They teach you that you can turn inward and you begin to get the message of the symbols. Read other people's myths, not those of your own religion, because you tend to interpret your own religion in terms of facts. But if you read the other ones, you begin to get the message. Myth helps you to put your mind in touch with this experience of being alive. Myth tells you what the experience is. He also said, what is it that we are questing for? It is the fulfillment of that which is potential in each one of us. Questing for it is not an ego trip. It is an adventure to bring into fulfillment your gift to the world, which is yourself, your blueprint. Your blueprint is your gift to the world. There is nothing you can do that's more important than being fulfilled. You become a sign, you become a signal, transparent to transcendence. In this way, you will find, live, become a realization of your own personal myth. So put on some white today, burn some sandalwood incense, get in touch with your heart, read yourself some stories, write some stories, and you'll feel the energy of Monday and the devotional vibration.